everyone, it is the first Friday of the month, and that means I have a favorites for you. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my fall fashion favorites, and everything that I'm showing you is a secondhand piece, aside from things that I already just have in my wardrobe. Before I get into everything, I want to say thank you to thredUP for sponsoring this video. You guys know I love thredUP, and you're about to see how much I love it even more in this video. What's really awesome is you can get 30% off your first purchase if you use the code Ingrid30 at checkout. If you're not familiar with thredUP, they are the world's largest online thrift store, and you can find a lot of your favorite brands for up to 90% off. So that means if you use my discount code, you can get the regular like 90% off plus an additional 30% off with my code. So it's pretty cool because I have found so many of my favorite brands for like 50% off, 60% off, 70% off, 80% off. I've been shopping way less, and when I do shop, I really try to shop more secondhand, and thredUP makes the experience of shopping secondhand so much easier. All of my gushing about thredUP aside, let's get into some of the new pieces that I got. The first thing that I have is a cardigan from J.Crew that I have actually been wanting and looking for, and oh yeah, I found the exact cardigan I was looking for, and it's way cheaper. Since I have been secondhand shopping more when I do decide to shop, one thing that I'll do is if I see something new that I really love, like out in a store, I will go home and look it up on thredUP because their filtering system is amazing. You can search by brand, you can search by a specific piece, you can search by your sizes, and that is how I found this sweater. One, I was able to get it for less, but two, I was also able to get it secondhand. The estimated original price of this sweater is $110, and I got it for $24.99. Also, this sweater has pockets. I am advocating for more pockets in women's clothing. We like pockets. We want pockets. Anything with a lot of pockets, women are like, look, it has pockets. So can we just get some more pockets? Just saying. Okay, for my outfit, I am pairing the cardigan with these Outdoor Voices leggings, and this is another piece that I had been wanting new and I searched for on thredUP. I had wanted this like oatmeal color and it wasn't in stock, and so I just kind of gave up on it, and then I looked on thredUP and there it was. The estimated original price of these leggings is $48, and I got them for $17.99. I would wear this on the weekends, I would wear it on any day I just want to be comfy, but maybe I have to run out and do some errands, or maybe I'm walking Tato. Plus I love the color too, staying kind of like in that warm tan oatmeal color profile. My next two pieces are also going together. So first up, I have this sweater from WhoWhatWear. WhoWhatWear is actually one of my favorite brands on thredUP. I had specifically been looking for a leopard print sweater, so I did a search for one, a bunch came up, and this was one of my favorites. The estimated original price of this sweater is $36, and I got it for $11.99. Oh, and I forgot to mention that everything that I got from thredUP in this video is $25 and under. So I'm pairing that sweater with these really cool wide leg drawstring pants from Ann Taylor. The estimated original price of these pants is $89, and I got them for $23.99. I love the tassels. Aren't these fun? I just love them. And I also love the velvet material too. It just makes the pants feel more luxe. For my outfit, I've tucked in the leopard print sweater into the pants, and I love how the two pieces go together. I think it's perfect for fall. It's something that I can wear out during the day, but it can also be dressed up for the evening. I'm also putting together the next two pieces in another outfit. This is a white turtleneck from J.Crew, and the estimated original price is $110. I got it for $21.99. This is something that I had definitely been looking for, but I wanted a turtleneck that had a little something more going on. I love this one because it has the ruffle detail around the neck, and then it also continues down on the sleeves. I am pairing this piece with a really fun jumpsuit from Bershka. The estimated original price of this jumpsuit is $36, and I got it for $14.99. I saw this on thredUP and I was like, oh my God. It was one of those things that I was immediately attracted to because I love the colors on it. I was also specifically looking for a jumpsuit that I could wear into different seasons, and I love this one because it's loose enough where I could wear layers underneath it. I could wear a t-shirt easily underneath this. I could wear nothing underneath it, and I can also wear the white turtleneck underneath it. I feel like this is a very me look for where I am right now in my life. I want something that's easy and comfortable, but I love color, and I feel like this is just a really fun outfit. Next piece is a chunky turtleneck sweater from Zara. The estimated original price of this piece is $56, and I got it for $21.99. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, and I noticed last year being in New York City, I really wanted chunky sweaters, but I wanted more color, especially as the weather got colder. And so that was something that I was really thinking about when I was looking on thredUP this time around. For an outfit, I'm pairing this with my light wash jeans and my white sneakers, keeping it casual. So these last two pieces are going to be in an outfit together as well. The first piece is this really fun blazer coat from ASOS. So this is actually a piece that is new with the tags still on. The estimated original price is $71, and I got it for $18.99. And it's brand new still. Oh my gosh. This is one of those finds on thredUP where it is like, wow, wow, wow. Plus, wow, because of the color. I love this. I think it is so much fun. I love the color yellow, and I feel like I've denied myself from wearing the color yellow for some reason. Like, it's not sophisticated enough, but I've always loved it. And so I have given myself permission to just wear more yellow. I've been wearing more yellow in the summer. Now I'm gonna wear more yellow in the fall. I also really love the length of this as well because it's quite long. It comes down to like my thighs. I don't have any blazers that are quite like this one. Actually, anything at all like this one. I'm pairing this piece with a plain white t-shirt and then these black pants from Zara. The estimated original price of these pants is $74, and I got them for $13.99. For the outfit, I am wearing the yellow blazer with a plain white t-shirt tucked into these pants with my white sneakers. For me, this is a more dressed up but wanting to be comfortable look. I feel like it's also something that I can definitely wear layers underneath as the weather gets colder. I feel like this is really gonna inject some color into my wardrobe. The very last piece is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. This is a super comfy and cozy sweatshirt from J.Crew. It says love on it in French. The estimated original price of this sweatshirt is $60, and I got it for $14.99. For my outfit, I'm keeping this very realistic to what I would wear in my everyday life. I am pairing it with one of my favorite pairs of jeans and my white sneakers, keeping it simple. Those are all of the pieces that I got from thredUP this time around, and I'm really excited about the outfits. I cannot wait to wear them. Before I go, I want to remind you about my 30% off code. All you have to do is use my code Ingrid30 at checkout. The link will be down below in the description for you. There is also free shipping on qualifying orders, and if for some reason a piece doesn't work out, you can send it back and you don't have to worry about it, which is a big deal because a lot of times when you buy something secondhand, they don't allow returns or exchanges. That is gonna be it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel where I will have more videos coming your way following the new schedule. So I hope you enjoyed this first Favorites Friday. I will see you guys next week. Bye.